morning. It is currently 5:04 and I'm getting ready to pack my car to head to Maryland for a shoot today. It's December 19th, Saturday. I wanted to have left out at 4 o'clock, but I fell asleep at like 1:30 and then I woke up at 4 and I was like, that is fine. It's a 2-hour and 50-minute drive. Christina's coming with me today to assist, also to be the second driver to come home. We are shooting a lot of content. I'm super excited. We're running with a 3-camera setup today. 2 Sony a6400s with Sigma 1835. I'm actually bringing my 60mm just to see something. And then the third camera is going to be a 6500. But yeah, I just want to take you behind the scenes. I also want to just document this journey, and it's only up from here, so I'm going to just double check everything and I'm gonna go pack my car. So see you in a little bit. Little wagon, this is it. Hey y'all, it is currently 9:58. We've been here for a minute in Donace's apartment where we're going to be filming loads of content today. I don't know where she is, but oh wow, she really walked away. Oh, there she is. So yeah, we are not the same person, but if you get confused, I am behind the camera, she's in front of the camera. But about to set up everything and really just get going because we got this to do. So see you in a little bit.
Call everything on. Jimmy can call everything on blend. That's still in.
The Dental Foodie Cheesecake Alpha Scene 1, Take 1.
Mojito. Hey everyone, welcome back. It's your girl Denise with the Dental Foodie, your favorite student dentist and all-time food lover.
Okay, the Dental Foodie Mojito.
Today we're going to be making white chocolate peppermint cheesecake. Do I talk? I'm telling you.
Yeah. Okay, stop it again. So they insisted, instead of marketing with some tape, make a little fancy. So write whatever you want, y'all. Oh. So gracious. There's a lot going on here. A lot going on, y'all. Let's rock and roll. Dental Foodie. Woo! So y'all, Dunzo is 6:02 and I realized that I never came back to the vlog, but we're on the last part of the day, basically. Ooh, look at this lighting though. You want to know what it is? This 48-inch softbox. Click the link down below for Amazon affiliates. Not. No, you can put your affiliate link in Amazon, but I'll get to you in a second with that one. Just made strawberry mojitos. You did a white chocolate peppermint cheesecake that's about to come out the fridge, and we're gonna get the last shots of that. And we did a burger, which is burger, right? That's all. Emphasis on the burger. And so yeah, the only thing left is like the regular 1920 by 1080 shot of the cheesecake, and then I just have to get the vertical angle for the burger and the cheesecake, because continuity, that's the word for today. Continuity. Stink and the cleanup. But yeah, it's been cool. We've been doing it. I need to take out my braids, but that's my business. So what is this for, madame?
This is for the white chocolate raspberry cheesecake.
What is it?
Not white chocolate peppermint cheesecake.
I'm just trying to figure out what's in the bowl.
Oh, this is whipped cream
on
and
top?
sugar. Yes, to go on top.
When you just get your new kitchen and you had to break it out for the shoot.
Yes.
Continuity.
Continuity, yes.
Youth. Tings are going. Tings. So guys, guess what? That's a wrap. But it's okay. So we just finished shooting the 3 cooking videos. Donna's is serving up mojitos or her little mint extract. But they ain't got no mint leaves around here, but it's cool. Camera, we're packing up. This is literally what everything looks like. It doesn't look too bad. The peppermint extract. Dinner, you know. Have dessert. We have the drinks. We have the food. This is the commercial burger. It has too much salt on it, you know. And then here is just the cleanup down here. Can you make me one? Shout out to the big bread. This is big brethren. Big brethren. And baby chicken.
Baby chicken. I'm dead.
Oh my gosh. But anyway, I'm gonna go. We're gonna eat. We're gonna clean up. And yeah, I don't know what this will become of, but it'll become fun. So stay tuned for the dental foodie content. Go on Instagram with an H and make sure you are following it. And you know,
At the dental foodie _
it's gonna be good content. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace. Use the cell phone to get some overhead shots for the cheesecake. Godox C-stand. We use Adobe. Other stuff. Sony a6400, 6400, 6500, and yes, lots going on. But so this is the set burger, the set fry with the set salt. Look, oh shoot, you can actually see.
Big brethren. We are done for the day. Shout out to our media. Lights up.
And now, go home. Shout out to Mikhail for carrying the extra box. And shout out to La Wagon, because it comes through for your girl.